Hi, this is my video bike check update. Prior to checking in, um, got. I'm gonna start with the front. Gonna start with my stem actually. Uh, I got Red Tech XLT, the black with that cool badge. You can see that's a cool badge emblem. Probably hard to see, but then I got the ODI long neck XLT. Those are long neck large ones that you cut yourself. ODI bar ends. Nitrous OG 8.5-inch rise. I know they're heavy, but I like my bars strong because I always seem to bend them. And then I got the Shadow Pro seat signature Ryan Scher, uh, the black one instead of the white. Uh, and I think the only other thing that's really changed is my seat clamp, which is not Haro anymore. It's just the stock premium one that's been on my old bike. And then the animal light peg. And yeah, sorry, this is bad quality with my webcam, but rate, comment, subscribe. I'll be back soon.